I'm still making floral cards this week in remembrance of my mom, and so I pulled out some of this beautiful designer series paper, the Unbounded Love paper and stamp set, and decided to do a really floral card today. Now I've done this triangle fold before, and so I will have all of the measurements and stuff on my website so that you can check it out and figure out how to make it for yourself too. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and it will be on there for you. And I will reference back to the other one that I made a long time ago as well. So what you do here is you use a full 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and you put it in your paper trimmer and then cut it corner to corner. And then it makes the bases for two different cards. And so now I am scoring. I could have done this beforehand, but I forgot, so I did it after I cut it this time. And then all you do is just fold the flaps down and then you can decorate the front. So what you do is you take a couple of pieces of the designer series paper and then again you cut them corner to corner, and then they will fit perfectly onto those triangles. Look how pretty this paper is. You can use all different combinations of the prints together. Now I've also used the dies that you'll see that I'm going to have on there from the stamp set, and then that they match together. See those stems there? I just thought it looked really good, and so I added those onto the front, as well as a sentiment from the Quiet Reflection stamp set. I really like that stamp set. It's beautiful. So here's another color version, two different ones to look at, and I hope you enjoy this card. Thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you again soon, and I think I'll probably continue to make some more floral cards in remembrance of my mom. Have a great day.